point and entrepreneurship to the point. Organizations that focuses on supporting small business development and growth in South Africa. And yesterday, the finance minister concluded the 2025 budget speech. As much as it was a speech during difficult times, I think what it lacked for me was very much a key focus around SMMEs. And if we are saying that SMMEs are the growth engine for South Africa in terms of economic growth and job creation, we need to be able to put more focus on creating clarity for them. I think key factors that stood out for me was very much the VAT increase. As much as it was not the 2% that was projected, any increase in taxes has a negative impact on small businesses and on the consumers. So what's the knock-on effect of that VAT increase? Firstly, if you are non-VAT registered business, you will not be able to, you're going to be paying more for things and you will not be able to claim back any of that VAT input for your business. Secondly, it also means that consumer pricing will go up, it will increase, meaning consumer spending might go down, but it will also have an impact on the profit margins for small businesses. That has a direct impact as well in terms of employees of small businesses maybe demanding higher wages, and definitely not something that's going to stimulate employment, but rather focus on driving reduction in employment. This is also not great specifically for youth employment, because we want to be able to ensure that we have tax incentives and tax reforms in the marketplace that's going to incentivize employment opportunities. Secondly, the minister spoke around funding initiatives and procurement bottlenecks that still persist in the marketplace. There was no clarity given specifically on the transformation fund that was punted in the market a few weeks ago, the 100 billion transformation fund. No details were shared, as well as the 20 billion SMME funding. In order for businesses to be able to access this funding opportunities, we needed the minister to create more clarity and provide more direction and policy for small businesses to tap into it. And then the third element was very much the kind of infrastructure development and energy initiatives. Two key areas and two growth areas where SMMEs could play an active role. But are we doing enough to be able to showcase an opportunity for small businesses? The minister spoke about a trillion rand public infrastructure spend over the next 3 years, but there was no opportunity really to say what portion of that will go for small businesses, how small businesses will be able to access government procurement opportunities, and will they be the losers if they have to go up against big corporations, which has been the biggest challenge, as well as the energy initiatives. We want to ensure that there is energy incentives for small businesses and that they are able to access this quite efficiently. I think that if we want to position small businesses as the key drivers for growth and job creation in South Africa, we need to prioritize tax relief. We need to prioritize better funding access for small businesses and ensuring that there's a fair participation in the marketplace, specifically when it comes to public procurement opportunities, and ensuring that we are solving some of the energy challenges for small businesses in order for them to operate effectively in this marketplace.